Among dippage, dumps, and downside here in the crypto sphere as we wait for bullish parameters to return so we can begin comfortably reinvesting back into these projects. We have performing artist Madonna teaming up with NFT artist Beeple. They've released a slightly controversial NFT collection among some fear-filled uncertainty and doubt. Drop a like on the video if you like the video. Be sure to subscribe. Now, we are looking at Cardano here. It would appear, plowing to and through this funky zone near 69 cents. We slapped our way through it, interacted with it briefly as resistance on the 10th. We're actually going to delete this range because it was just a funky zone we were looking for potential bullish interaction with. We're not eager to invest at that level because the strongest horizontal level of support we are still making our way toward is going to be 34 cents waiting for us all the way down there. The supercell and sell 4 have returned, so we have been, out of the market and anticipating continued downside ever since the 7th. And this most recent combination of bearish Robo advisors has saved us from a dramatic 44% in downside that has followed. So we go with the flow of crypto. We trade more tactically with the strategy. No matter the situation, we always wait for the confirmations. We'll invest 20% at my support level. Watch out for 34 cents still. 30% will be invested when daily candles open and close above this descending trend line. And 50% can be invested when EngineeringRobo returns to a bullish state. So we're looking for instances, similar to the kind of recent months here where the buy 4 Golden Cross and Super Robos attempted to print. Though a more ideal combination would be similar to July of last year, where we were able to experience 141% in gains using bullish Robo advisors. Another instance of dramatic upside if we refer back to roughly 47 years ago tomorrow, November of 2020, we have the buy 4 and Super Robo combination coming into play and allowing us to experience 1,318% in upside before EngineeringRobo suggested you capitalize on 970% ROI. So we are just waiting for the return of bullish parameters here for us to begin comfortably reinvesting in Cardano. If you've been following the channel, you know that I've been a bit of a broken record here during times of extreme fear and downside. I've been expressing my personal opinion. I still find it very difficult to be bearish on cryptocurrency overall. In the longer term, in my opinion, I do believe an uptrend is intact with all of this institutional activity from multi-billion-dollar conglomerate companies and or governing bodies adopting blockchain technology in one way or another. I do believe big changes are coming for the economy here, and in the short term, we will have to just get slapped around just so we can really see what's going on with cryptocurrency currently. Only been around for about a decade. Only now are we trying to kind of figure it all out when monopoly money has gotten us so far. Let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and Cardano, though. So the supposed Queen of Pop has collaborated with record-setting artist Beeple to create a series called Mother of Creation, which includes 3 non-fungible tokens titled Mother of Technology, Mother of Nature, and Mother of Evolution. These NFTs show a 3D likeness of Madonna giving birth to robot centipedes, butterflies, and trees. The article references what has recently occurred to multi-billion-dollar project Luna and their, algorithmic stablecoin. As the market went crazy over stablecoins showing instability, Madonna and Beeple decided that it was the right time to show the community something even crazier. NFTs showing a 3D model of the 63-year-old singer-songwriter's private parts. Following the drop, the community reacted with various perspectives, with some being inspired and some criticizing various aspects of the artwork. The NFTs are currently collectively worth 28 Ethereum, roughly $56,000 at the time of writing and recording. The auction is set to end shortly, according to the collection's description on the NFT marketplace Super Rare. The money collected from the drop will go to 3 different charities that are focused on women and children all over the world. Last week, Sony announced a collaboration with Theta Labs to launch 3D NFTs. The electronic manufacturer said that this highlights the capabilities of its new product called the Spatial Reality Display. Through the monitor, users can view objects in 3D without the need to wear traditional 3D accessories. And so, lots going on here in the crypto sphere. As we can see, Sony implementing blockchain technology into their aspects here. As I mentioned, multi-billion-dollar conglomerates getting involved in the space one way or another. In my opinion, still adding to reasons why I find it very difficult to be bearish here. I see this as a very nice time to be accumulating some ridiculously discounted digital assets. Bitcoin was not that long ago worth well over 60,000 US dollars. You're currently buying it for roughly half off. So let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Find this article in the description. So Bitcoin finds itself back above a key level here. It would appear $28,422 per Bitcoin is now below current price levels. We are now looking for bullish interactions with it as support. We are not eager to jump in at any of these levels just yet. We are looking for continued interaction with them at the moment. We are still under the influence of bearish Robo advisors here that have saved us from this, dump and downside. So we can't be too surprised because EngineeringRobo has been bearish ever since the 8th of April, and just about 37% in downside has followed. So we are just patiently waiting for the return of bullish parameters here in the crypto sphere. While we are at a lower price than we were at this time last year, we are very much at a higher price than we were this time 2 years ago. So what goes up, I do believe, must come down. Briefly, things that increase by 10 times their value within only a few short years will tend to experience tens of percentages in downside before it can continue its way upward. Though in the longer term, in my opinion, I still am, still anticipating a 6-figure level based on EngineeringRobo's Fear and Greed Index, which we will get into shortly. But in the immediate short term, though, it would appear downside and or sideways is to be expected. So we're looking out for continued solidification of support. When daily candles get above this ascending trend line, we will invest 30%. And 50% can be invested when 2 of our chosen 3 Robos become bullish. We're looking for instances similar to back in July, where the buy 4 and moon allowed us to experience 50% in gains, and the buy 4 and bull in October allowed us to experience a good 40% in upside. We are still continuing to plow into the fear zone here. It would appear, extreme fear, uncertainty, and doubt shaking any and everybody out. At the moment, while everyone is panic selling, thinking the bull run is done, the market is over, we're going to zero. In my opinion, I do believe we are anticipating price action similar to March all the way into April of 2020. Where price action dipped violently into the fear zone here, proceeded to experience 10x in upside, setting some very nice all-time highs near the $70,000 level. Though we have yet to see that FOMO zone, still hovering near the whopping $184,000 Bitcoin, a far more reasonable top if you are looking for one. So we do accumulate during times of extreme fear here. While we are in the fear zone, you can accumulate Bitcoin when the timing is right with a longer term perspective in play. We do anticipate interaction with that FOMO zone where you will be heavily recommended to consider taking some profits, sell some of your position up at that level. Nothing wrong with capitalizing on upside, and someone has to buy the top, and so hopefully not yourself, because you're buying here during times of extreme fear, the nicely discounted digital assets. In my opinion, I believe those that are panic selling currently will be the same ones panic buying when we do eventually blow off top in the multi six figure levels whenever we are ready. Not a moment sooner. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto, and tune in for the next one.